Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So in order to open the recents, we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to the center of our device and hold our finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing here, we've got the recents, all previously opened apps. And basically, unfortunately, I cannot really see the option to close all of them with only one click. So we will have to do it manually, unfortunately. So you can just tap on the X buttons or just swipe them up, whichever option is more comfortable for you. But it does not really change the thing that we have to do it manually, unfortunately. Shame. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.